There is a screw machine trachea labeled on this trachea, which is connected to the barometer. The label reads pneumatic screwdriver air hose, and it connects directly to the air compressor. It is connected to this trachea. This is also the trachea connected to the air compressor. Connect both ports together to the air compressor. After connection, install the pressure gauge onto the screw feeder. The air pressure is about 0.6 megapascal. We will dismantle this trachea before leaving the factory. After receiving the goods, it needs to be connected to the screw feeder during assembly. After receiving the goods, insert the trachea into the nozzle port. The trachea connection here is connected according to the corresponding port color. This is the connection method for the air pipe of the feeder.